Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a camping gear store website using Shopify. So first, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here on the top left to products, and here we're going to click on add a product. Now we're going to start filling all of our blanks with our products information. For example, I'm going to just start with my gravity water filter. There you go. I'm going to copy my title, and here for the description I'm going to click on generate text, and I'm going to paste it right over here. We're going to click on generate, and this way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate again or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to choose an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collections, and tags section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your home page. And here on tags, you can put whichever one you would like. For example, I'm just going to put camping gear. There you go, as one of my tags. Now below our media, as you can see, we're going to have a category section. Now usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But in case it isn't, you can always click over here to change it if you so want it. For the pricing, let's say that I'm going to charge around 80,000 pesos for this, and my cost per item is going to be around the 60,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 20,000 pesos profit at a 25% margin of profit. Now for inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the bottom right and save our changes. As you can see, if I go back, I would have my first product uploaded right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done with that. So as you can see here guys, I have added a bunch of new products, for example a tent, a multi-tool, and a minus 25 Celsius sleeping bag. So once we have all of our products ready, we're going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. Now the first thing that we're going to be able to change, it's going to be its theme. As you can see, if we go down, we're going to have a bunch of different free themes to use, but if we want to shop for more of them, we can click over here on Visit Theme Store, and we're going to be redirected to the Shopify theme store where we're going to be able to buy a lot of different themes. Now, some of these themes may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, I'm going to click on Customize, and here we're going to be able to start customizing all of our products section. For example, as you can see, if I click over here, as you can see, the section is going to be outlined by this blue line, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and if I click over here on select, add images, I'm going to be able to select an image to be our banner. So once that is on processing, I'm going to click on done, and as you can see here, the background of our banner is going to change. Next, I'm going to click on our heading in order to change the text over here on the right. I'm going to put, for example, welcome to my camping gear store website. There you go. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left where it says template. I'm going to click on add section. Here we're going to have a bunch of different options to add, for example, a featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see here at the bottom, a new section is going to appear. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on select over here. I'm going to click one of my products to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my minus 25 Celsius sleeping bag. As you can see, the product is now being displayed over here. And let's say that we want to change, for example, the color scheme over here of this section. We're going to put a nice dark theme. There you go. Now another thing that can happen to us is that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to choose a featured collection, and as you can see here, the section is going to appear at the bottom again. So if we want to delete it, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have it selected, and we're going to go over here on the bottom right to remove section, and when we click it, there you go, this section is going to be completely removed. Now we can also add sections to our footers. You can see here if we want we can add an email sign up or a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Here we can also add a custom liquid or an announcement bar if we wanted. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit, we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store again, and here we would be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put camping gear. Whoops, there you go. Now I'm going to save my changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store again, but instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots, preview, and here we would be redirected to our website. As you can see here on the header, the name of the store is going to be changed, and if we scroll down, we can make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. So once we are done customizing and checking out our website, what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here if we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on Browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on Set End Date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.